Hey there, my name is Evald. Just wanted to give you a quick update on ChatGPT. Recently they released the new version, right? But this is something else. Today I get one interesting example that is very common when I go to conferences, that people try ChatGPT and then they decide not to use it anymore because they think it's not working, because they are using it for the wrong reason, wrong way. So if all you have is hammer, everything looks like a nail for you, right? So shut up, nail, right? And this is actually screw. But how this happens in reality and what is the case? So let me show you this. So here's the ChatGPT. This is actually GPT-4, but without the additional capabilities. What I mean by additional capabilities? It is the ability to search a little bit in the web. But in general, these ChatGPT is a language model, not the search engine. And so you should never do the search engine things in language model. So what you would do then is that, let me give you an example. So I would write, give a list of scientific publications about, and then quotes. See, this is very important. There is the continuous piece of text, sitting too much is bad for health. I assume this might be true. Then title, year, title, author, and year. Okay, so very simple prompt, and this is kind of good formatted. So pay attention to formatting. So now it's giving me some of the possible references. Seems believable. Let's double check if these references exist. So sedentary behavior, cardiovascular disease, hospitalization, meta-analysis. Let's try maybe this one in the search database. So this actually exists. Okay. Then let's try this one. Then this does not exist. So it gave me imaginary hallucination here of this type of publication. So this is very common for language models, but this is not common for search engines. And that's why people think we don't need ChatGPT, let's keep using Google. So I go back to the Google and I will have terrible experience. So see, there is nothing there. And even if I try to make it more friendly for the Google, right? Let's try to do this not as a prompt. Scientific publications about sitting for health is too much. Good luck of finding anything meaningful here. Also, you can spend like half an hour clicking on links because none of these are scientific publications actually. And even if I would do this in a proper scientific database, even though they start to add some things in the search engine, you see this is not really great. Even if I'm removing this, there is like lots of morning meetings or what kind of, well, where is the Buffett? So it doesn't make sense at all. So instead, you should not give up on AI because it gave you this hallucination of the reference. Instead, you need to educate yourself. You don't use Google, you use something like Perplexity AI, which is the AI search engine. So this is not meant as for language tasks as ChatGPT, where I will give you some good examples in near future, because everybody is asking these, and I decided to start making these videos. So, and in the search engine, you would just type the same thing, right? Okay, where was my thing? Title, year, so on. This is very specific search engine. Perplexity AI, which is a AI search engine, not like Google, not like ChatGPT, which is language model. And definitely try the paid version. The free versions for all of these things are really bad. So, but if you have a paid version, if you do this, you will get this. So let's see. So sitting too much, proper proper references, none of them are non-existing. All of them are real. I can generate as many as I want, and I can do even better than this. So too much sitting is linked to some disease, right? So and here's another one. Let's try to get this one. This is all on the fly. I don't know what will happen. So let's see. So this was this is like more proper scientific research. By the way, here you also can choose to search in the academic databases, and it understands the meaning. So sitting too much, right? It might be that even the title might not contain anything regarding sitting too much. So if here's some other sedentary behavior, completely different type of title. And now, if I would just take this link, I could do something even better. I don't need to read that link. I can do something like this. Based on URL, how many hours of sitting is too much? But I forgot to mention in a day. So, but it understood sitting for more than 10 hours per day is so sitting for more than 10 hours compared to 5 or few hours per day is associated with risks. So 5 is the good amount of sitting, and 10 is really bad amount. And it even gives me the exact numbers and so on. So you see, to do these things, which I just did in a couple of seconds in Google, it will take you half an hour. So, or in scientific research database. So don't give up on AI. Don't use ChatGPT as a hammer for the search, because it's definitely 100% not a search engine. It's a language model. And keep watching this video. I will make better examples of how you can use it.